Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome, and if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. Alright y'all, so by the title you guys see in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make bangles. And I know it's been a little while now since I have recorded a video, but I'm going to be doing a separate video talking about where I've been, and I'm going to give you guys a life update as well as a channel update. And before we do get into the video, I want you guys to smash that subscribe button so you can join the Faith Gang, and also hit that post notification button that's right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. And I'm also going to leave my Instagram on the screen so you guys can follow me, and I'm also going to leave my business Instagram on the screen so you guys can follow me as well, and so that you guys can see my website and see all of my products that I have. And I'm also going to have all of my social media accounts in my description box down below so you guys can keep up with me when I'm not uploading on YouTube. But with that being said, let's get into the video. And I have some exciting news for those of you who don't know. I'm going to be attending my first ever pop-up shop. So this is my episode 3 of my Entrepreneur Life series. I'm really happy to be continuing on my Entrepreneur series that I have on my channel, and I'm also going to be making a playlist about it. But all the bangles I'm going to be showing you today that I'm making will be for the pop-up shop, and all of my old bangles that are on my website I'm also going to be bringing to the pop-up shop. But these right here are all the bangles that I already made. They're so cute. And y'all, I don't know about y'all, but like pineapples are one of my favorite fruits. So if you guys see that on most of my bracelets, that's why. And I try to make only one bangle so that way everybody's bangle is different. And these are honestly really cute to me with the Chanel charm and the pineapples. And this one actually has a pearl, which I thought was really cute. But the most important thing you'll need to make your bangles is creativity, because you always want to have a variety of different bangles that you have to sell. And you want to make sure that you have expandable bangles. I have some in gold. I have some in sparkly gold, and I have silver. And I'm actually going to show you guys me making my gold bangles first, so that's why I have the silver bangles to the side. And these are all the charms that I have, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it good, but I have a lot of charms to still make. I plan on using all these for the pop-up shop. But what I like to do is I like to lay out the expandable bangles first, and then I like to lay out the design that I want the bracelets to be. So right now I'm just laying out all of my charms. Alright y'all, so some of these I noticed that they don't actually have the split ring on it. So I'm just going to show you guys how I put the split ring on the charms. But once you have the split ring in your hand, you want to use your split ring pliers to open it up. And as you guys can see, you want to have the pliers facing this way so that the pointier part is facing downward. And then you want to latch onto the split ring like so. And you want to slide the split ring plier down a little bit so that you can have room to put the charm on the split ring. And I like to hold my finger down on the split ring while it's in the plier, so that way it's easier to just slide the charm right into the split ring. And then once the charm is in the split ring, I then just lightly guide the charm to the part where it snaps in place. And that way the charm is secure on the split ring. So I'm going to follow that same technique on all the charms that I see that don't have a split ring on them already. But when you are making charm bracelets, I definitely feel like it's more effective to actually have the split rings already on the charms. And you want to make sure that the charm is all the way into the split ring before you try to slide the charm through the split ring, just to make sure that you don't have to keep redoing it. So now that I have pretty much all the gold basic bangles all together with what charm I want to go on what bracelet, I'm going to use the gold sparkly bangles that I have to make the rest of my bangles. And what I like to do again is I like to just lay the bangle out, and then I like to just start laying out the charms. And for some of my charm bracelets, I'm going to be using my gold charm stoppers, just so that they don't move around too much when I give it to the customer. Alright y'all, so I finally finished making all of my bangles for the pop-up shop, and I have 43 gold bangles that I made. I made 2 silver ones. And I think this charm is really cute because I actually want to be a registered nurse when I graduate college, so these charms are like really close to me. And then I have a good amount of regular gold bangles. And then I have some bangles that are actually like gold sparkly expandable bangles. And these are actually all the bangles that I made within the last couple of days. So I'm really proud of myself that I made a lot more bangles for the event. And I'm going to show you guys the bangles that I had on my website that I'm going to also be bringing to the pop-up shop with me. And I don't have a lot of these mainly because these are on my website, and these are what people haven't been ordering for the past few months. So I thought it was a good idea to take them with me to the pop-up shop. So I have a lot of gold bangles, and then I'm going to show you guys my silver bangles that I have. that were on my website. And by the time I post this video, I might have already had the pop-up shop. So a good amount of these bangles, if I don't sell them at the event, will be on my website. So I'm going to show you guys what these bangles look like. Alright, so these are the charms that I had on my website. These are my gold ones. Like I said, I'm taking these to the pop-up shop with me. And these are my silver bangles. This Daddy's Girl is one of my favorites, along with my Have Faith and Faith Over Fear charm bracelet. I thought that was really cute. And then I have another Faith Over Fear. But yeah, these are all of my silver bangles that I will be taking to the pop-up shop with me. But alright you guys, that's all I wanted to show you off for today's video. And I know that I did record this video 2 different days, but that's okay. I'm getting the content out for you guys. But I almost forgot to mention that you guys want to stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing 2 videos about the pop-up shop. I'm going to show you guys everything I'm going to be bringing to the pop-up shop, and then I'm going to try to vlog the actual day of the pop-up shop so I can show you guys the behind the scenes of the actual event. But if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed watching me make all of my bangles for my pop-up shop, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. But if you made it to the end of this video and you haven't already subscribed yet, click that subscribe button so you can join the Faith Gang. And also don't forget to hit that post notification button that's right next to the subscription button, so you can get alerted every time I post another video. But with that being said, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, Faith Gang.